we're not just a number on a piece of paper.
They customize their program to fit us in our specific needs.
Main Street's a Houston-based investment firm focused on partnering with lower middle market companies.
Since our founding in the late 90s, we've invested in hundreds of lower middle market companies.
The biggest things that set Main Street apart is our focus is on partnering with the individual owner-operators.
We're long-term investors. We're not looking to flip or to sell something in a 3 to 5 year hold period.
The second thing would be our ability to provide a highly customized, highly flexible financing solution.
As a company evolves, Main Street adapts.
We can provide both the debt and the equity needs of all of our portfolio companies and truly provide a one-stop shop solution.
Most private equity funds have a specific focus of a 3 to 5, maybe a 7-year investment horizon. By being a public company, we could see through growth strategies that extended 5, 10, even 15 years in duration.
They allow me to run the business. They're there if I need them, and there's no rush to sell KBK.
Since our strategy's inception in 2002, our capital has grown from $100 million to over $6 billion today.
But one thing has stayed the same, our continued focus on helping companies in the lower middle market grow.
We've gained significant experience and a lot of expertise specifically in dealing with lower middle market companies.
Today we're invested in about 80 different lower middle market companies across 25 or so different industries.
As a generalist investor, we've got access to portfolio companies that exist today, but also over our 20 plus years of history.
It's much less about what industry or what geography our portfolio companies fit in. It's much more about the opportunity to invest with best-in-class management teams. When you look at the most common types of transactions that we invest in, there's 3 scenarios. There's a recapitalization transaction, there's a majority recapitalization or a management buyout, or there's growth financing either for an acquisition or an organic growth opportunity.
And by having that flexibility, we can structure a transaction that fits the needs of the business and the business owner.
Main Street has the power and financing of a Wall Street firm, and it has a Main Street culture, which is exceptional.
I think businesses choose Main Street because we're reliable, flexible, and partners in the long run.
We picked Main Street because they were the perfect combination of we're going to leave you alone to run your business, but we're also going to be available to ask you insightful, thoughtful questions to help you think about your business and run it in a better way.
Main Street can provide long-term capital and long-term support for the businesses that we invest in.
There's not always a playbook for tough times, and you want to partner with a company that's been through it and grown through it, and that's what you get with Main Street.
Being a true partner is someone who gets in, rolls up your sleeves, and is there to navigate those times together with the portfolio company.
I remember portfolio companies that we invested in before I got here 15 years ago. They're still invested in those companies today.
We can be in it for the long term.
Knowing that they're in it for the health of the business, that really helped us seal the deal for us.
They're very genuine people. What you see is what you get.
I'm sitting here today with a dream realized because of Main Street.